Yes.
Wow. I like these older Dover traditional fixtures.
These are some of my favorite elevators in Arizona. Okay, let's go back to P2. You can't go to Dillard's this way. They locked it off because of COVID. Let's switch sides. Love those buttons.
The cab's nice and wooden here. Bless you.
Thank you. I know it's a nice wooden cab. Get off at 1.
I almost forgot about these elevators. I mean, I remember seeing these on YouTube. I just remembered I saw these on your YouTube channel.
Nice.
I almost forgot to ask about requesting these, but I guess no, I didn't have to.
That's good.